Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It's January 30th, getting closer to the end of the month, but we found some strength today. Corn up 10 and 3/4 cents. March corn closing above that $7.40 area, looking pretty strong. Technically, took out the 100-day moving average today and closed above that 735 level that we had as far as resistance coming in today. We got to keep that, watch that. We see another strong day tomorrow. Could look pretty good here for corn. Just on the charts. Beans 27 cents higher, went right up to that 100-day moving average. That's held so far. And then wheat up about 10 cents following right along. The big story out there as far as the grains, South American weather. So they do have some rain in the forecast here for this weekend. They've got some totals of a half inch to an inch in localized areas. But behind that, still dry. So these charts are still keeping some rain out of the forecast, and that's got the concern as far as our corn and beans. So really keeping the bulls in favor here of continuing to push things higher. Stronger close, as I said, for corn. Beans went up against some resistance. We need to see a strong close again tomorrow to really keep things going. But if we give back everything that we have gained here today, may get a little pressure down to this lower end of the range that we've been in for the last few weeks. But outside markets, maybe helping out commodities with the dollar being down 30 cents today. We did have the Fed come out, Ben Bernanke, talking about continuing to buy longer-term bonds, keeping interest rates low yet, which is keeping pressure on the dollar. That means more spending, or more printing of more money printed. So the dollar's remaining weak. That's, like I said, down about 30 cents today. What happens when we see the dollar falling back? Well, energy markets, crude oil higher again. Another new recent high for crude, up 45 cents at 98.02 a barrel, on its way to that $100 level. That's really the next resistance that we're looking at for crude. But as far as livestock, kind of some sloppy trade today, down about 25 cents for cattle. No cash trades yet. Still watching that here this week, expecting to see maybe higher trade this week, especially from the stronger trade we saw late last week, and also the more positive cattle on feed report that we had seen, and this story out with Japan. But we need to get that cash trade going in order to make this next step higher. So continue watching that here as we move through the next few days. As far as hogs, cash trade has been higher. We've seen some strong. The cash side has been very strong, and that continues. So hogs up about 5 cents today, and in that market we could and should see this rally continue as we go through this month, and maybe as we get into that February time frame as well. But cash is king, looking very strong for hogs. Probably going to limit any downside at this point, keeping more of this stronger bias here as we go throughout this week. So. Like I said, strong close in the grains. Watch for that here tonight. See if we get some follow through there. That's going to be a big story for us tomorrow. And can we close tomorrow stronger? We'll see if we can hold this today. But give us a call with any questions that you have at 800-262-7538, or check us out online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you had a great day today, and we'll talk to you here tomorrow. Take care.